In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an episode. If you've published something by mistake or simply need to retire an older piece of content, I'll walk you through the process in Spotify for Podcasters and share a few tips so you can do it confidently and without surprises. First, open Spotify for Podcasters and go to Episodes. You can do this in a web browser or the mobile app. Sign into your dashboard, and if you manage more than one show, make sure you're viewing the correct podcast before proceeding. In the Episodes section, you'll see your published and draft episodes listed. Take a moment to sort or search if you have a large catalog. Using the title, publish date, or duration can help you quickly find what you're looking for. Next, select the episode you want to remove. Click or tap on that episode to open its details. This is a good time to double check you've got the right one. Look over the title, the description, the publication date, and any artwork, and if needed, skim the show notes to ensure you're not about to remove something you still need. If you're on the fence, consider whether you might want the audio or notes for your records before you continue, because once you delete, you won't be able to recover the episode from your feed. Now click Delete Episode. Depending on your screen size or device, the delete option might appear as a button on the episode page or within a menu, often represented by 3 dots. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit or expand the options menu for that episode. Selecting Delete Episode will start the removal process. Finally, confirm the deletion. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Read it carefully because deleting an episode is permanent and will remove it from your public podcast feed. When you confirm, the episode will be taken down from Spotify for Podcasters and will stop appearing to new listeners on podcast platforms connected to your feed. Keep in mind that updates can take a little time to propagate across listening apps, and any listeners who already downloaded the file may still have it saved locally on their devices. After confirming, return to the episodes list and refresh the page to verify the episode no longer appears. That's it, simple and straightforward. You've successfully removed an episode in Spotify for Podcasters.